Okay, now let us move further. From numbers we move to number name, and now from number name let us move to numbers. Taking one example, let us say now you are asking about the population of states of USA. You ask them first of all, okay, now there were 28 states in our country. You tell me how many states are there in yours. They might say, okay, there are 50 states in USA. And if you would ask them that which is the most populated state in the USA, the answer is California is the most populated state of USA. And then you ask them, okay, what is the population of California? They might say, okay, it is 39 million 500 502,028. I have written it in this way to make it a little complex. Okay. So, but this is approximately the population of California is around 39 million. Now either you know about your own states. If you are knowing international system of numeration, then you can compare. But now how to see, okay, what is it in Indian system of numeration? So for that, let us first of all write it in number form. This is in word form. Let us write corresponding number to it. To write corresponding number to it, international numeration system goes as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, then million, 10 million and 100 million. So obviously the number 39 million, this is millions period, this is thousands period, and this is ones period. So we have 39 million. They say that population of California is 39 million. So obviously where will you place 39 million? In millions period. In millions period you will place 39. So where will you place 39? You will not place it like this, otherwise it will become 390. So obviously you will place it in this way, 39. 3, 10 million and 9 million, 39. So this place obviously it would be 0. 39 million 502,000. In thousands period what is given? 502. And after that 28. So it would be 0 to 8, 28. So in this way you can write it in number form. Now you have got it in number form. Now same number you want to speak it 39 million in Indian system of numeration. In Indian system of numeration you want to say for it. So in Indian system this is ones period, tens period, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, then comes lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So the same number 39502028, I have written it again once. So this is crores period, lakhs period, thousands period and ones period. So how many crores? Then you will say, okay, 3 crore. How many lakhs? 95 lakh. How many thousands? 2,000. Then 28. So the way you read it, over here you read it 39 million, here you are reading it 3 crore 95 lakh. 3 crore 95 lakh and here 39 million. So in this way you can read in Indian and international system of numeration. What was the population of most populated state of India? You try to recall it. In 2001 it was more than 19 crore and their most populated state is just 3 crores. But here the picture doesn't end. Let us take one more example and take the population of entire USA. Let us take the population of entire USA. if you ask them, okay, what is the population of USA, then they might say that population of USA is 394 million. And to make it a little complex for us, let us make 21,100. Okay, suppose this is the number, that is the population of USA. Now, how to read it? Obviously, to place it in the number, it would be some, if you want a number out of it, 394 million. So, millions period you have 394. Then in thousands period you have just 21. So, it would be like this, 21,000 and 100. Similarly, if you want it for Indian system of numeration, so if you want to place commas, it would be something like this in international system of numeration. In Indian system of numeration also, if you place it, it would be something like this. So what would you read it? Population of USA in crores period, 39 crore. How many lakhs? 40 lakh. How many thousands? 21,000. And then 100. So population of USA 39 crore. Population of most populated state of India around 20 crore. More than 19 crore. So just you can see, if you combine two Uttar Pradesh, it would be more than USA, and there is no comparison with India. So India is very populated, very diverse, rich in numbers, rich in culture, and a melting pot of cultures. So India is very rich as compared to USA in terms of numbers, in terms of culture. Okay, so that was all for today. This is how we learnt about international system of numeration. We learnt what are millions, after millions comes, there is something called billions. Indian system of numeration, there was lakh, crore. In international system of numeration, there is 100,000, million. So, and we read how to convert words or numbers into number name and number name into numbers. So that was all for international system of numeration. Related to it, I'll share one assignment with you. You all do that assignment and be more clear about this system of numeration. Thank you.